You good?
Ready? Go. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we are gonna clean the engine bay on my 99 Honda Civic EX. It's a stock B20B, and the engine bay is dirty. So we're gonna show you guys how we do it. You just cover the intake, the distributor, and alternator just to be sure. Those are don't get wet and get damaged.
So
And
here, show them around, like go or
alternator
right there is covered, distributor, air filter. Yeah,
AC and everything.
just pretty dirty in here. Just trying to see how clean we can get it. Pretty dirty behind there. We'll cover that.
Is this on the cruise control? No?
Yeah, I think so. You don't have a cruise booster no more. Yep, guys. So we're gonna start by spraying down the greaser. Here, I'll let you take it. So we're just spraying normal degreaser, trying to let it all fall out. It's pretty strong degreaser. And take care of the main parts. Get these little covers on top.
Pretty strong.
Hell yeah. Let's get the little bit of the block. It's just like covers. Put a little bit more back then. I think that should be it.
Alright, so what's the next step?
So basically we're just gonna like saturate the dirt and stuff like that. Just go over it with a brush, trying to get pretty much anything. Just break all the dirt loose. Everything. Get on top of here. I have like a paintbrush just to get like over like light stuff. I don't want to get too. This is just soap and water. Saturate everything. Let's go. We're here with this. Over that with these paintbrushes. Just try to get everything out.
Alright guys. Where did I put the camera?
Just hold it.
So I can help you out.
No, it's fine. You hold it. Harry, you wanna do it? Get into it. Hold on. Let me get a towel real quick. You get into it. Take your time. Just try to get it. Go around this again. One over here. I'll just get that with try to get over here. Can't reach? Yeah, I got you. Try to get this spot. Whatever we can't get, I'm pretty sure like the power washer, yeah, we'll get. Alright, you guys can tell. Dile, dale, el YouTube money, YouTube money. Dile, Dani, YouTube money. Yep. And let's start the power washer. Here, Dana. Go pretty far so you can. So I'm gonna just try to like stay a little bit far just so.
You gonna touch it up one more time or what?
Yeah, we can touch it up one more time. So this is just like, let's see if the camera can get it.
Alright, guys.
See? I don't think the camera can pick it up, but damn, it looks hell of a lot better. But we're gonna touch it up, trying to see the big difference. It'd be cool to like have a lift and do like the bottom.
Well, that would be dope.
Have a lift and do the bottom. It just takes time just to do it. What you think for the first pass?
That's pretty good, yeah. Now you can see like where to touch up, and then like now it's you can see better like if your car leaks or yeah, cause or where it leaks from.
I feel like I don't know why I feel like this didn't really come out. Touch it up with that little thing. Let me see with this brush. See if it comes out. I doubt it. So how long have you been having this car, Daniel,
For 3 years.
3 years?
It got stolen once, then I recovered it, then I had to replace all the parts that got stolen.
Yeah, I remember that day.
I had to go eat ice cream.
Sounded story.
So we went to go eat ice cream, and I told my brother, I was like, hey, we should take this car. I have like a fishy feeling. And he's like, no. Like, oh, we could just go with them. We'll just get a ride with them. And when we were eating ice cream, enjoying the night. And then when we were coming back, we were like, did we park inside? And they were like, yeah, we did, I think. And then we looked, the car was gone. And we were like freaking out. We were like, oh, what the heck? Where's the car at? And then we reported it stolen. And a couple of days later, right?
Yeah, it was probably like a week.
A week later, we found it. And then a couple weeks later more, we found out who stole it. Some teenagers, kids.
We know who you guys are.
Yeah, we know who you guys are.
Y'all got left on bricks.
On bricks.
They stole his wheels. So it was funny. We knew who you guys were, and so we went after. So yeah, I guess. Well, I didn't go, but my brother and some of our homies went and basically knew who had his wheels and everything, and basically just left them on bricks. I call it karma. I don't know about you guys, but
See that? Push up.
this one. This is our second pass. Let's see. Pretty much trying to get under there next time. Get over here. Yep. Yeah. We do a valve cover, Daniel.
No, we need to do the cap. Oh, this valve cover? No,
Yeah.
soon it's gonna have a VTEC.
VTEC head, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
B16, B20V.
Damn, Daniel. How soon?
Probably summer.
Damn.
Or once I get a new daily.
We gotta be careful with this coronavirus, guys. Stay safe. Alright, guys. We'll bring you guys back right now. Alright, so this is the ending of the engine bay wash. As you can see, it knocked out everything pretty good. You can barely even see this. Hold on. There you go. But yeah, we started the car. It turned on and everything. Warmed up. Knocked out all the water from the back and stuff like that.
And the water that sits.
Yeah. But if anyone has what are they? Like
OEM headlights.
I don't know if they're SI headlights, probably, but I don't know. But all his tabs are broken. They like move. Let me see the other one. Oh, let me fix this. But yeah, they don't even sit flush. Look.
Yeah.
Alright. That's how they're supposed to be.
The tabs were broken.
Yeah. But hit you up where?
Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Dwarf_AK.
Spell it.
DWARK_EK.
You forgot the F.
Oh,
Damn, I can't believe you don't even know your own IG. Dwarf.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You forgot the F. But yeah, hit him up. But yeah, we couldn't get anywhere. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like right here. I guess he has like a cam seals issue. I don't know. They're leaky. But
B16 head.
Going what?
B16.
Damn.
B20V.
Boy, if you don't. But yeah, let us know about these headlights. If you guys anyone selling them, DM him. But yeah, thank you for watching.
See you guys next time.
Alright, later.